Everyone, welcome to my channel Apps in Motion. Please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get your updates. Okay, so good morning or good evening. Okay, so let's start with. I want to give some more examples on Hedge-Tag. So let me start with this example. Maybe I will give one more example after that. Yeah. Okay. So now let's fire up Xcode. Xcode beta. Okay. Right. So now we are going to create a Hedge-Tag example only. So we'll just say create an Xcode. It's already there. So now I'm just saying next, next, then you Hedge-Tag example. Wait. Oh, new project. Let's say sorry. I've already done it, so let me just close this. Sorry, cancel. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I'm starting with Xcode and I'm going to look for this. Right. Okay. Now it is Hedge-Tag example. Look at that first. So you must be knowing that Hedge-Tag always arranges the views in a horizontal fashion, right? So first it is asking the upper container has the upper container is VStack. Within the VStack, it is having the three text items. Okay, so VStack spacing 20, and each one of them will be spaced with 20 spaces. So this is Hedge-Tag, and we have given the font as large title. Text introduction dot font title. So this is large title will be bigger, and the dot title will be smaller than the large title. Then foreground color is the color of the text will be green. Okay. Text Hedge-Tags or views that contain other views laid out horizontally. This is what is the actual definition of Hedge-Tag. So I can use the background color for the text as color.orange. Okay. Now see, these are all with the VStack. Okay. Now we are going to have a Hedge-Tag. Hedge-Tag text leading, text middle, text trailing. Okay. So one thing is we should understand. Yeah. Okay, so here we have to understand that Hedge-Tag is coming after VStack. Within the VStack, Hedge-Tag is there. So text leading, text middle, text trailing. So if you see that these three will come as horizontally. Okay, then there is a small amount of padding, dot padding. Okay, then dot border color dot orange. So there will be a border around that with color dot orange. Then Hedge-Tag again, spacing 10. So between these there will be a spacing of 10. So image system name 1 dot circle, image system name 2 dot circle, image system name 3 dot circle. All these are SF symbols. Okay, these are all SF symbols, and there is a padding between them. See, between each of those circles there will be a padding. Then a circle will be padding 1, 2, 3 is the one circle, two circle. So it will be a circle, but 1, 2, 3 will be there. Then Hedge-Tag spacing 20. Image system name. This is A dot circle dot fill. Then image system name B dot circle dot fill. Image system name C dot circle dot fill. And then image system name D dot circle dot fill. And image system name E dot circle dot fill. Okay. So now we are going to add a font for that. Font dot large title dot padding. Okay, dot large title dot padding. Now we are going to say dot background. So we will say dot background rounded rectangle. Okay. Then rounded rectangle corner radius 10. Okay. Rounded rectangle corner radius rounded rectangle 1 minute. We have to yeah, within bracket corner radius 10. Right. Then foreground color dot orange. Okay, so this is what is the whole thing, which is very simple. I just wanted to show you about the H tag, how it uh, displays the views horizontally. Okay, so let's run this and see. Yeah, right. So you can see that H tag. Okay, H tag is there, and then you have the introduction. Then you have the hashtags of views that contain other views horizontally. I don't know why there is a braces. Let's see. Horizontally. It's unnecessary. And bracket is there. And why there is a bracket? Okay. Like between this, it is like this. Yes. And then yeah, and here it will be dot. That's it. Now it's, see, you don't see the thing, sorry, there was a mistake. Okay, now head tag text leading me, all that is there, so this is the one, and you can see the padding is the space all around this. Okay, so that's what is leading, middle, trailing. Okay, then again here padding is given, and then border color dot orange, you can see that. Now next is image system name 1 dot circle. So this is the 1 dot circle, 2 dot circle, 3 dot circle. Okay, so now dot padding, so there also there is a padding between them, right? Okay, so they are horizontally arranged, these are also horizontally arranged, these are also horizontally arranged. Okay, so dot padding there also. Image system name a dot circle dot fill. Okay, this is A. Okay, B dot circle dot fill, C dot circle dot fill, D dot circle dot fill, E dot circle dot fill. So all these are basically with the H tag. So this is also a H tag, and the font is a large title dot padding, and background color is rounded rectangle, corner radius colon 10. Okay, right? So that's how it looks now, right? Okay, so that this is the one which is very very easy, you can just do it in no time. Okay, so now we will go to the second example. Now after this we will do the second example. So let's break from this. So I'll say